Hello guys, my name is Kaylin Milford and this is Thunderstorm Part 2. It is a serious thunderstorm out here, not raining yet. It did a little bit ago, but as you can see, there is lightning raining down. And it is like 7:37 p.m. East North Pacific time, and I am alone out here. And that's the light. Well, this is the thunder. Well, lightning. Usually it would be sun setting right now, but no, it's dark. Lightning and thunder everywhere. Not raining yet, but it might. That's my new neighbor and his boyfriend. So, no more on that. Back to the storm. As you can see, you can kind of see the lightning, and what you just saw was a lightning bolt. Dun dun dun. I will keep you updated on this storm, but for now, I am off here and out of here, and I'll be just letting you watch.